Come here. I'm like 8'4", brown hair to the floor. You shorties never thought I'd dream about rapping hardcore. No, I ain't got a gun, no, I never been in a club. Still live with my parents, but I'm still a thug, I'm still a gangster. You can find me baking cookies at night. You are clubbing, but I just made caramel delight. T-Swizzle, T-Pain, rapping on the same track. It's a thug story, Tim, but can you handle that? I had a dream last night, I had hot top nights, I had diamonds in my mouth and diamonds on my mic. By the time I woke, I was singing, I'm on the boat, whoa, whoa. Singing turn rapper, straight to the top, yo. You can call me T-Sweezy now, I'm a rap star.
It's a thug story, now tell them who you are. Sing a turn gangsta.
You don't wanna fight me
Straight to the top.
in my extra small white tee.
Whipping T-Pain all up on the same track. It's a thug story, now can you get with that?
What? I need sweaters, yo. What? Don't touch me.
Hey, hold on, I didn't even say anything. I said yo.
Yo,
You guys bleeped me and I didn't even say anything. I didn't even swear.
she didn't even swear.
Hello?
Thug life. I'm ugly. Brittany.